Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software. In this short demo, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a post survey email. And we're going to be digging into the email designer and adding the query that we worked on last time. So if you haven't had a chance to create a query for a post survey visit, I'll recommend you to check out the support docs and find that tutorial that walks you through the process of creating that query. We're not going to be creating the query here in this video, but you're more than welcome to check that one out first. So if you want to go ahead and do that now, you're more than welcome to, but we're going to be using a query that we built last time in order for us to be able to create a post survey email. So I'm going to dig into the email designer here, and I'm going to create a new template, and we're going to call this one post visit survey. And then I'm going to go ahead and add an OData link. Like I said before, we worked on this OData link already, so I happen to have it already, so I'm not going to go through the process of creating that today. I'm going to click next here. Next, well, this looks good to me. And then the recipient's email address is this one. Grouping ID is the system record ID. Grouping fields, we're not going to group anything, so I'm going to click next. Now here's the important step. We want to make sure that our email template is using the post survey note type, because that's what the query is monitoring for. So the moment that we send this email, we attach a note, and the type of the note is going to be post visit survey, and the query shrinks every time an email is sent. That way we don't send the email multiple times. So once I have selected post visit survey here, I'm going to click next. I'm going to select the from address here, so we're just going to do this one for now. And then from name, and then reply to, no CC or BCC, and I'm going to say post visit survey. Or whatever subject line you want to give to your email. It's ultimately up to you. And I'm going to click create a template here, and then let's check out this post visit survey here. And then what we want to do here is what we want to actually go ahead and type out our email. Now I'm not going to go through the process of typing this email out. I'll leave it up to you guys on how you want to structure that message. So you just fill out your email message here. And then once you're ready to go live, you simply click start sending emails, this button here, and click save settings, and you're good to go. Now, if you happen to have a email already that you have written and you just simply want to use a different note type, we do have the option to be able to select note types and give it a second here while it loads, and you can change your note type here. But in our case, we already have the right note type, so that's not necessarily necessary for us to be able to go in there and change that note type. So that's all there is to setting up a email with a post visit survey query. And all you have to do now is just simply write out the email and then enable the email once you're ready to go live. So that's going to do it here for me. If you have any questions about this process, please feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help.